Good morning. Good morning. Started off with a massive yawn. I was about to talk and I was just like, oh god, it's now. Hello. Good morning. How's it going? It's sunny and bright and hot this morning as usual. How's your morning? Gloomy. Sunny. Kind of wish it was at least a little overcast. Just a little bit. Just so we're not super hot. Also, music's loud. In my ears also. Okay, that's better. I can hear myself think now. Woo! Godot. Oh, update. 4.7.1. What have I done? Feeble, maintenance releases, blah 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 blah. Probably just fixes and stuff, I'm assuming. Changes. Improve 2D editor, fix... mostly fixes? You're as orange as the sky was yesterday. I'm not that orange. Since Canada's burning the earth, just covering its smoke. We're not that bad right now. Let me check the air quality. It should be better. Didn't mean to start a YouTube video. Air quality. Air quality. Open and current tab. There we go. Michigan was really bad right now. No, it's pretty nice for us. The air sensors are green. Just good. Nice. We're good. We have the good air. It's blowing it all south. Yep. Yep, sometimes east. But not right now, south. Oh well. Good luck. Don't die out there. Yeah, there's still a little bit. I can still see there's a little bit of forest fire stuff with PM 2.5. That's 17.7, which it's not bad, but it's not zero. What do you mean no YouTube? It's on right now. I just started it. Yeah, it's definitely on. Yep. Okay, glitch fixes for Godot, so I'm just reading the release. I don't think there's much. Yeah, it's not a major one, it's just a bug fix. Bug fix. And on we... Okay, start Godot. Oh, I forgot. I have to update. Right. Yeah. As I said, I start Twitch first and then I finish up YouTube afterwards. That's what I do. Yeah, I can launch. Dream game. I really should give it a name. All I name it is stream game. That's it. Yay! And now I need to finish assets. Yay! Yay! Still have not figured out my problem, but also my new phone is shipped out. Woohoo! I don't know if I'll be getting it today or tomorrow. I hope tomorrow, because I'm at the office today. I don't want to have to like run back home and be like, crap, I have to go get my phone. You don't think you ever look at the YouTube? It's the same. It doesn't have anything special more than Twitch. It's just the VODs mostly. So yeah, that's mostly it. I want to total something that I keep forgetting. Horizon. Do, 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 do. 59. Do, 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 do. On the dot. Oh, camera moved again. Yeah. Here we go. I don't know if I'm making a game, but the theme is cost of progress and it's 2 weeks time limit for your game jam. Cost of progress. Could definitely make a horror game out of that one. Yep. I'm sure there's gonna be a few of those. For sure. Alrighty, wait. I want to show you all my personal stuff. I need to go get the list for the Godot stuff. Ugh, Notion, why aren't you open? You've been knocked down. Okay, journal. There we go. And then Mike Frog! Yes, Mike Frog. Please. Turn, please. There you go. Tubable, hello. Okay, boost, second phase. Username, no. Index, I guess I could. Add commands to the website, that's unrelated to Godot. Balloon movement. Do I feel like doing hard math this morning? Ugh. Good morning on the YouTube side. Good morning, hello, how's it going? Oh yeah, there is something I have to fix before it's released. Not really gonna be released, it's just gonna be on my OBS. Those art and point system. Okay, so I guess this one's gonna be important because they spawn in wrong places sometimes. No, it's called Stream Game. Yeah, strawberry. It's called Stream Game. It's yep, very disappointing name. It doesn't have a name. Yep, you can see it up there. That's it. So yes, what I should fix is this should be. Hold on, let me go on BRB. Darkness. Whoop. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. Also, I'll have to fix that too when it's ready. I have to figure out what scene I'm on. Can I do that? I wonder. Can I poke StreamerBot to say like, hello, what stream am I on? I want to see random actions. I want to see something like get the scene, the current scene. Can I do that? Yeah, current scene. Yeah, I can call an action. Ha 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 ha. Well, I mean, I can call that specific action anyway. Hello, bologna sandwich. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Balloons, let's add an action. Get current scene. Doesn't really need a queue, because it's just trying to figure out where it is. And then get current scene. Ooh, how do I return it? Oh, hold on. Connection OBS. Okay, but then where do I send this? Shit. Oh no. Wings to ransom the ashes Phoenix. Let's see. So how's it gonna return what scene it's on? Oh no. Oh no. Cause this one only checks if an action is executed, right? Right. Would it still work? How will we do that? So we'll go with the action ID. I guess I could add a switch, see what happens. What's your ID? ID. Get your ID, action ID. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh, but that's only for the walls, though. I don't want the wall to move on every action. Ooh. Ooh, wait. Oh, that doesn't work. Because that's no matter what action I do. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. I cannot be default this, because that's not gonna work. Ah! So I do need the scene. Oh no. The realization. Oh no. Because what I did with this one, I believe is checking for the BRB action. But that won't work, because it's gonna fire for all the actions. Oh. Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. Okay, how do I fire this one then? Huh. Hmm. How could I do this? So it would be like, every time an action fires, check what scene you're on, and from that, I figure out where the collision wall goes. Oh, help! Oh no! Oh boy. Do I have access to that? I don't think I do. Wait, let's see. OBS. Connected event scene. I have scene change, but that's like an action. It doesn't give me the actual scene I'm on. Finding code that will not work for long. Oh no. It's like, oh, it's easy. I just have this to finish and then we're done. And it's like, oh no, wait, this doesn't actually work. Hold on. No. Do I need help? We all need help. A little help sometimes goes a long way. Look at our balloons go. Whee! Yeah, I'm also gonna have to limit the spawn when the collisions. Limit the spawn with the collisions. Tits. Yeah, tits. I get by with a little help from my friends. Yep. Indeed. So that means I have to fire an action. Did I do that already? I did, right? For the balloons? Oops, wait, StreamerBot. I should pin Godot, to be honest. Have it pinned to my stack bar. Yeah, my stack bar, my task bar. Okay, and then bring it closer to StreamerBot, because I'm tired of like trying to find it every time. Yeah, the classics. Okie dokie. So this is fired by Godot, so I do have an example of that. In check command. So do action from name. I can do an action, but can I have a returned value from that? Probably not. I'm assuming not. Do action from name. Maybe? Possibly, let's try. Okay, so not gonna be action executed. So when it's ready, I am gonna have to fire when it's ready because I have to check what scene I'm on when I fire the game, because if the game crashes and I start it and I'm on a random scene, it needs to know. Hello, Goat Smile. Hello, hello, welcome in. I'm just gonna copy this, this line, shove it in ready, see if we can do it directly. Just gonna print out, yeah, I know. Print out, we're not gonna do balloon, obviously. So it's named, get current scene, I'll get the exact name of it. Get current scene, and I have nothing to pass in the argument because I shouldn't need that. Why are you bugging? Oh, well, I guess I'll do a function then. Or wait. Wait, it worked fine. Yeah. Well, I'll make a function for it called check scene. Check scene. Yes, we're coding the blondes and we're finding things that won't work before they bug, which is great, but also annoying. Oh. I'll keep the on action executed, but this is gonna be not there anymore. But I'm still gonna keep it because you never know. We might need it in the long run. Funk, because we're gonna have channel redeems also. I don't know if I'll fire the channel redeems through StreamerBot or directly through Godot. We'll see. What was I gonna do? Check scene. Check scene. I don't think I need to pass anything. It's gonna return a string. Yeah. Basically. And then let's take this guy. Return nothing. Okay, what now? What? It's doing the coroutine thing again. What did I do last time to have it work? Or do I have to put it in a variable or something? Goddamn coroutines. I don't understand them. Because these guys don't have a weight. Fine. Okay, check scene and then call it. Check scene. When it's ready, restart. No, that's not what I need. Nope. Nope indeed. No worries. How will this work? Get current scene. How do I've passed information to StreamerBot. Now how do I bring it back? The other way. We're doing both ways. Like, how do I... Unless I... Oh, maybe I can store it in a variable or something? Core... I swear there was something about variables. Maybe a global? I could set a global, maybe? Global persisted, yes. Variable name is gonna be scene. Hello, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Follows are anonymous, but yes, we are coding the balloons and figuring out how to talk to StreamerBot. Value is gonna be... I don't know. Hold on. How do I get this? Wait, what do I do with this after? Hold on. StreamerBot. Get current scene. OBS. What do I do with this after? Yes, no, maybe, I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me! What? What's going on? What are you doing, Drop? You okay? You, having a moment? Okay, so default, it gets current scene. Ah, I see. Current scene. So this should work. Oh, I think. Now how do I call this from Godot? I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Can I see my globals? Yes, I can. Obviously it doesn't exist right now because I have to recall it, I think. Okay. Did it trigger it? It did! It did call it. Cool. Okay, good. Now. How do I call this? Oh, it's not over. Oh, the song. Ah. I don't think I know that one. Maybe. I don't know. Not very good with lyrics sometimes. I'm better with melody. Am I ever well? Are we ever? Insanity. Okie dokie. Not this. How do I use this? I did the action. Wait. I'm thinking. Brain, come on. You can do this. Check command. Get the message. Check command. I just want to see something. That's a payload. What if my payload has something new in it? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, my payload comes from what? So technically, when I check my scene, it does action completed, doesn't it? Now I think about it, it probably should. I'm curious. I want to see. It probably does. Yep. Just want to see. It's right there. I see it. I see. It is there. It is in the payload. It's gotta be, because it's global. This. Okay. Ah, look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I should find a way of returning that. So then action executed has to be scrapped. Hold on. At least this part has to be scrapped because this is no good anymore. But I'm gonna keep it for now because I don't want to rewrite this. What are we missing? Basically, it's this thing here that I wanted to know how to get. I can get it. It is there. Tis there. But now I'm at a point where I'm figuring out how I want my functions to function. Yep. Because we do the action in StreamerBot. But then how do I get the payload out of that? Can I just get it? Because it doesn't really give me the right thing from the action itself, this here. Because I need to go get the payload from the action executed, which comes from this here. Okay. So this would have to return something? On action executed, I guess this function could return the payload? I'll be smarter, I guess. Yeah, payload is a dictionary. I will comment the rest of the stuff. All this is no good anymore. Oops. And then we're gonna return the payload. And then decide from there. Woohoo! No wait, I'm returning it where? Shit. God damn it. Because it needs to go in the scene. Ah! Logic! Oh my god. How do I get the payload? I don't know. I'm stuck. Brain, hello, morning, wake up. Hello. It's probably super simple. Subscribe. Unless I No, it's already subscribed. Help. Help. Because this won't work. Ugh! How do I do this? Because this does not return what I need. Maybe there's something that exists already. Wait. Active viewer, get info. Make request. Wait, there is one. It exists. Oh my god, it exists. Kill me. Never mind. God damn it. It exists. I'm still gonna check scene though. Check scene, so it's gonna be current scene. Okay, so it's gonna be StreamerBot. Is it in a wait? I don't think it is. No, it isn't. And I reinvent the wheels, like, god damn it, it already exists. I do that sometimes with my own code where it's been a while since I've done the code and it's like, oh, well, then I have to do this, and later on I look later and I'm like, oh shit, I already made that. No. Okay, remove this. It's gonna be get current scene. Oh, it is a coroutine. Oh, look at that. Let's see if it prints well. Let's remove the okay, I guess I removed it, I think. No other prints? Nope. Nope. Well, it didn't work. What if I put it in a variable? Jeez. And just print scene. I don't think it's gonna help it all that much. Why does it print this? I don't want this. Wait, hold on. Is there another print somewhere that's wrong? No, it's the only print. What the hell? What is this supposed to be? This is... I don't want the data. I want the scene. What? Is it borked? This should work, technically, I think. Those are the balloons. Where is it? There it is. Like, it doesn't... Is this? Wait, what's it going off of? Reinventing the wheel, but like, not at the same time, but it's like, does it actually work? Did they change something? Wait, let me see. Where is API stuff? Can I wait? Let's see. Get current scene. Like, it should work. It looks like it is. Yeah, it does exist. Turn type string. Yup. Should work. Does VS Code and Windows wanting an update irritate you? I don't know, I didn't even see they need it. Oh, look at that. No, I just don't see it. Don't care. Does VS Code need one? Always. I just let them do whatever they want. No, it doesn't annoy me, I don't care. As long as it doesn't bork my computer, it's fine. Yeah, I didn't even see it at all. Didn't do it yesterday though. I'm confused. Maybe there's another one. But also, why is this not working? This should work. It is not working. It doesn't return the right thing. I wonder if the other ones work. Maybe they don't. I want to see something. How do I call this one? Credits. Okay, goes to the event data, that's why. Doesn't call an actual function. I am stuck. It returns the left thing with what is the left thing? Left is an odd way of it. Left? It returns like the action completed thing. Not the right thing. Oh. I was like, what's to the left? Also the sun. The sun is in the clouds. It is dark. Wait. Slightly better. Not the right thing. True, like it's their function doesn't work, I guess. But it should, shouldn't it? Because it does exist. Wow, you can even have all that. OBS take a screenshot. Wait, OBS? Was that what I used? When I had the screenshots? I forget. Maybe I'll bring those back. When I did the picture stuff. Maybe. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff. Nice. That's like C# reference, but it still should work with Godot. I confuse. Why is this not working? Make requests. Can I see requests in StreamerBot? Event feed. Oh, cool. Page is not working. Great. Why not? Refresh. Doesn't work. Why? This is what I'm seeing when I go to event feed. Great, it doesn't work. What else do I have access to? Maybe in the logs? What are we, 16th? Can I see it? What it's doing? Ooh, that's a long one. Let's see. Oh, I was trying to find my Kai. I didn't even know I connected this. Okay, cool. Is there anything in here that could give off my stream? No. Okay. Is there anything related to... It's like too much. It's too much. It's crazy. Week, I feel like I'm getting so much done, yet I feel adrift at sea. Work. Yeah, I feel like this week has been also pretty rough. I mean, not rough, it's been nice, but it's been busy. Like, I feel like every time I'm doing my dailies and my gachas, I'm like in a hurry. I'm like, okay, I have 1 hour left, let's go. 3 games. Whoa. I don't have time to actually enjoy them. Yeah. Although Pokemon Go's not helping. Cause if I'm walking from work, I like go off on tangents and try to do more stuff in Pokemon Go and then end up home later. Like yesterday I went to a meetup because I wanted Kyogre. I got 1. God damn, that thing is hard to catch. I got 1 of 4. So I went to meetup yesterday, so I didn't have much time afterward, right? And then today I'm probably gonna walk a little longer. Depends if my phone is getting here quick or not. Depends on my new phone. Cause I probably have to sign when they get here, since it's a phone. I'm assuming they'll make it safer. You can't just drop it at your door. My old phone is not going well. So before Pokemon Go, it was already showing signs of like slowing down and lagging and going nuts. A little bit, yeah, it got old. It's an XR, so it's like 7 years old. And it's had its days. Like, I don't even put its case on anymore because it tends to overheat these days. What else? And then I got Pokemon Go and it's horrendous. Playing horrendously. Oh god, like, oh, it's so bad. You still use your XR2? Yeah, like this one, yep. It served its time. And it's funny because like, when I switched to this one, I had a 6S before. It was so bad with Pokemon Go, so bad. But like, because of Pokemon Go, I switched to this one. And now I'm back at Pokemon Go. I'm switching again. 7 years later, or 6. Wait. When did I switch my XR? I forget. I know it wasn't brand new when I got it. So probably less than 7. Maybe 6, 5 years ago, maybe. It's lagging and hot and dies quick? Yeah, it definitely does. Even though its battery is still technically kind of healthy, it really gets hot. Like, let's see its health. It's probably hasn't gone down. I'm surprised it hasn't gone down with all the crap I've had to go through. 79% maximum capacity. It's getting there. It's getting there. So I'm probably just gonna keep it for like epoch cam and stuff that I might want to do on stream, like have a second camera that's streaming another thing, like the fish maybe. So I'll keep it for those reasons, but yeah, it's at a point where I'm like, okay, look, I try to tough out my phones as long as possible until they annoy me, and this one is starting to annoy me. So yeah. And Apple, well, I'm pretty sure they've done that in the past, but I believe they got in trouble for that. But it also makes sense because phones are getting better, so they're making updates that fit with that, and the older phones can't follow that trend. So yeah, fish cam, yes. I could use my 6S, but I don't like the camera on my 6S. XR has a better camera, obviously. And also, that's another reason why I'm getting a new phone, new camera. Yay. 100% have become doing that, yes, but that was in the past. But yeah. Apple keeps the doctor away. And yeah, people are like, boy, you should get an Android. Yeah, but the problem is, my whole ecosystem is Apple except for the PC. But even the PC has the Apple stuff on it for the pictures. The iCloud is on it also, so like, I don't want to change everything. Also, I don't like Android. I don't like their interface. I have something in my eye and it's bugging me. Yeah, I don't like the Android environment. I'm like so used to like how the iOS works, and I do like the way it works. I just like it. And like, I have a smartwatch that's Apple, I have an iPad, I have my old 6S, which I probably needs to recycle. Probably, before it catches fire. Because of the battery or something. New one's also iPhone. Yes, I went for the most recent one, because I figured I'll probably last longer, because this one was not the most recent when I got it. I went with a 17 Pro, but I am not paying new. I'm getting pre-owned and also on a flex option, which means I don't pay the full price, but when the 2-year ends, I can decide to either keep the phone and pay the rest of it or switch. So I figured that would, like, if I hate it, I could just switch it at least. Changing systems is painful. Yeah, I'd rather not. I'd rather stay with Apple. Don't tend to link more and more in Windows, getting more and more crap. Linux? Yeah, Windows has its moments. But I feel like my Windows is not too bad. I've like turned off so many things. Now it's fine. It's okay. A company in Finland named Jolla is releasing a Linux phone in September. Whoa. Interesting, but I still would stay with Apple. Yeah. I don't like smartphones in general. Little drama boxes, what they are. Yeah, they are drama boxes. Yeah, like, but from Pokemon Go, like, I wouldn't really use it that much. Like, I tend to forget where it is sometimes in my apartment. I'll leave it somewhere and be like, oh right, I have a phone. I wonder if someone wrote me. Oops. Linux? How do you How do you pronounce it? Like, how else would you pronounce it? Linux? Linux or Linux? I somehow prefer Linux. Do I ever call people? No, not really. Not me. People call me, that's for sure. Like Bella with her incessant ads. At one time, it was a great promotion they had. And I was like, oh look, I'm overpaying my phone. And then they brought it down. Linux? Yeah, probably Linux. I don't care. I'm still gonna say Linux. I don't care. It sounds nicer to me. Okay. Now, why? Why? What? Oh. I was gonna say everybody's escaped, but no, the bar is all the way up. It is all the way up. Your balloons have been on screen for a while. I'm assuming the points have been going since then. I blame the French. Possible. Yeah. I mean, wait, when I speak French, how do I say it? No, I say Linux in French. Not Linux. The Linux is very English.
They don't have engines, they don't have wings.
Voice.
Good work!
You guys have
It's a
voice.
basket in the sky!
Yes. Mon Dieu. I am now on screen. Woo, I'll get points. Yippee. Yay, 45 points. I don't know what the amount's gonna be for like the store stuff yet. I'm gonna have to figure out the economy. Don't know. I'll have to like keep an eye out on how much points people get. Like the usual viewers will obviously get more points, but like how much will the occasional viewers get? Because I want to make it fair, you know? Not just for the people who are there all the time. I mean, yes, but at the same time, I want to make it fair. 5,000 points to switch balloons and 9,999 to buy a balloon. No. No. Gotta make it fair. Okay. This is annoying me. Why? Why you no work? Maybe I do have to do it myself. 1 point to pop other people's balloons? No, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be different. The point system is probably gonna be based off the weapon you use. And I don't know if I'll probably add some accuracy randomness too. Yeah, faceless, hello there. That'll be so mean, but you're gonna lose points. You're gonna lose points when you get hit. And you're gonna bump. Gonna boop. Well, hello there. Yeah. So, yeah, there's probably gonna be some accuracy in there, weapon stuff. Some weapons are gonna be more accurate than others. Catapult is not exactly the most accurate. 8 ball, how many points? What? Does it sound complicated? It's not that bad. It's just random numbers. It's just like a range of random numbers. It's really not that bad. Could add a critical. Oh yes, a crit. Yes, for sure. And glancing blow chance, something like that too. Yep. Yeah. And maybe a health bar? Like maybe you won't pop it directly? Yeah, but that's the fighting system. But I'm gonna write them down before I forget, because I will. Which one is it? This one. Fighting chance for crit and random accuracy.
Gee, what? My foot is itchy. Why is it itchy? I don't know. Gee.
You need to make it full RPG with levels, different moves. Well, we'll see. We might add on as it goes. Setting commands by writing in chat. The fighting system, I'm hoping to use with channel redeems. Because, although, wait, that's another set of points. Ooh. Wait, I can't mix both, can I? Well, because then your points, I can't make you guys, although, Yeah, I guess to call it, I could have it be called by channel redeem, and then you're still gonna lose points if you die, you know? I can't be made in an online stream game. Where can I be? True. It'd be more expensive to destroy a balloon than create a balloon. I don't want the attack to be what's expensive. The attack's not gonna, well, it's gonna cost channel points probably, but the weapons are gonna be the thing you buy with your points. I'll have to figure that one out. You do not need to manually add the time stat to the calculation. Godot has a built-in function called randomize that automatically uses a time-based seed to ensure you get different pseudo-random numbers every time the game runs. Yeah, but I also have to cap it. Also, I have to give it a range. I don't want any numbers. Yeah, it depends what my... well, it's percentage, probably. Yeah. Cost to make it just to type. What? 8 minutes! Yeah, I don't think I'll be fixing my problem in 8 minutes. I think I've abandoned. My brain is not braining this morning. I'm looking for pseudo randomness in Godot. Yes, I'm still gonna have to think what I want. Accuracy is definitely gonna be a percentage. And yeah, 0 to 100. I was like, am I gonna cap it? Like, do I want 0? You could miss. Which is why channel redeems would probably be the best option for the attacks. Because channel points are a little different. You're not losing points from your balloon bank. From, these points here. Ooh, Dark Chaos has 25. Yeah, I guess we're doing brainstorming, thinking about the fight system, even though it's technically not this phase. It's gonna be the second phase. But yeah. Bust a cap in that balloon. Now smells 50 points. Yeah, the point system for the balloons is more gonna be currency. It's gonna be currency for the store. Yeah. The real question is, what is the cost of progress, and how do you make that a fun game? In 2 weeks. In 2 weeks? What do you mean in 2 weeks? Oh, for your game jam. The cost of progress with the balloons? What is the name of such currency? I don't know yet. They're called points for the time being. I do not know. We shall see. Like, we have geos in Hollow Knight. Could be. I don't want feathers. Feathers are... I don't think they're a great form of currency. I feel like they would break easily. CO2. CO2 is hard to measure unless you get bottles, but bottles of CO2 are pretty heavy, so no. Sandbags would weigh your balloon down. Not great. Fire. No. Again, can we have something that's a unit? Please. Balloons. It means hearts, we have points. For now. For now. Yeah. We'll see. I don't know, like, what else could be on a hot air balloon? Wait, could I find, like, anatomy of a hot air balloon? Of a hot air balloon. Let's see. Let's see. How about this one? We have the envelope, the parachute valve, skirt, burners. Do we have more details? More than this? There's not much on a hot air balloon, is there? Damn it. The balloons. Bleed air and lose high over time that can be repaired. There's gonna be a system too with that. It's gonna be gravity based. And you'll be able to boost and bring them up again. But that again is later. Haven't thought of that one. Yeah, they have ballast. They have the sandbags. But adding some wouldn't be a good idea. Because you go, wee. Not good. It could be anything else. It could be like bird related. It could be anything really. Flags. Maybe decorations. Or it could be something random that we invent. The balloons like doubloons. Yeah, doubloons. Doubloons. We need complicated physics simulation. Yeah, I've been thinking about that this morning actually. I was like, ooh, I should look up how to make it look more natural. Cause they're supposed to have a sine movement. It doesn't work. I have to do the math and stuff, but I can't visualize it. It's just, the math is far in my brain. But what I wanted to do is when it hits a wall is to its speed to like go down and then go back up slowly. Like I wanted to at least lose speed and not just bounce back like it's doing right now. Give it a little bit more realism. The balloons. The balloons. The balloons. Yeah, the balloons could be a good one. I want to see forms of currency. Canadian dollars. Oh goodness. Early coinage. They don't have crazy names though. Oh, electron. That's cool. Okay, yeah, Canadian loonies. Oh, I could make it Canadian based. But loonies, yeah, they're dollars. Yeah, toonies, yeah, they're toonies are the twos. It does. Yeah, it really does. It's disgusting. Look, the circles don't even look quite circle. It's weird. Yeah, like the text is all wonky. Yeah, that's no. That's a big no. I'm surprised it did relatively okay with the SC. Gross. Antique. Old forms of currency. Blech, go away. AI, it's everywhere now. It's every time I see an image now, I'm like, I get a loony really cold and throw it down, and the middle pops out. You mean a toonie? No, I've never done that. I don't mess with money. You're not supposed to. Drachma? What does drachma look like? Oh, pretty. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice indeed. But yes, let me show you what a loony is. This is a loony. This is a loony and this is a toonie. This one's a little different. This one's a special one. But yeah, they're usually like this. Cut up pennies! Well, do you guys still have pennies? We don't anymore, so they don't really count. Oh, they had special loonies. Oh, that was weird. Nice. Yeah, this is our money. Shot the power of the scissors? Damn. Okay. We have them, but we stopped making them. Yeah, they're just not in circulation anymore. When you see one, you're like, whoa, penny! Whoa! Money's a curse? It is. It is indeed. I guess we could have loonies. It's very Canadian. A loon can fly, right? Yeah, wait. Can a loon fly? I'm pretty sure that, yeah, I'm pretty sure they can. Loon flying. Oh yeah, they can. I wasn't sure if it was one of those, like, only water bird, but yeah, I know they can't fly from land. If they're on land, they're kind of stuck. Tuna, yes! Honorary Canadian from growing up with a bunch of the... I see. Yes, I've seen these birds before on a lake. That was one of them really close to me when I was doing paddleboard. I was like, whoa, big bird! You hate money on a religious level? Yeah, the greed. Do I see loons often? No, I have to go like in places that are a little more remote, I guess. I don't know near Quebec if we have any. I know further up northwest there are some. That's where I saw some. I don't know around here though if we have a lot of these. Probably not. And then we have herons and all that, but yeah, they're very nice birds. We have polar bear, loon, of course. Wait, I'll just look at Canadian money. It's on the coins, I think. I don't think we have any on the paper. No, it doesn't look like it. No, just faces. Just faces. Wait, let's see. I know one of them has a moose. I think it's this one. Of course, it's on the wrong side. Thank you. Can I have coinage, please? There we go. We have a beaver. We have a... or caribou. Is it moose or caribou? I think it's caribou. Call it calcifer after the fire and the balloon. Or, well, it's not, yeah, well, it's not a, doesn't work. No, it's not a unit that's calculable. Doesn't work. Multiple calcifers. Also, this one's wrong because that one's really old. Like, we don't have that one. Well, we don't have sense anymore, but like, it was a face afterwards. It didn't, the bird wasn't there long. But yes, these are the animals we have on our coins, and I don't know why there's... Meh. Oh yeah, it's the leaf. I'm silly. Wasn't there? Oh, it's on the other side. The face is on the other side, of course. And we have a schooner on our 10s. No sense anymore. Oh, Dodo, I have to stop. Let's stop talking about Canadian money. I have a jar full of these coins people spend here. Yeah. Oh, I have American money I have to go exchange to now I think about it. I must have like about $130 worth. I really should go at some point. Yeesh. I'd be more mad, but I think one is so old it is silver. Whoa, nice. Did you bite it to check it? I didn't mean to close that. Come back. Come back, stream manager. Woo. Okay. No, not 130 USD, 130 Canadian. It's 98 USD, I think, that I had left over from a while ago when I went to New Hampshire. Yeah, that's a while ago. Oh, you googled the date. Ah, I see. I have no American money in American. Makes sense. Yeah, that's today's climate, isn't it? No money. What is money? I do not know it. Okay, I'm not gonna search for too long because I have to get going. We're gonna go straight to Kirsty. Hopefully she doesn't have ads. Let's go now. She doesn't have ads. Ah, raid! Let's go. Let's go. Alright, this was not as productive as I'd like it to be, but... I figured out that there was a bug. That's a thing. Not great, but that's a thing. But I need to figure out why the currency thingy doesn't work. It should. Very weird. Yeah, it's that kind of week. I'm not very productive this week. Tomorrow's Blender, so it's pretty chill. It's just making shapes. Not that bad. As long as I don't have to do geometry nodes, because I suck at those. I don't understand them quite well yet. I should really get back into those. But yeah. Is that kind of week. Yes. Keyboard, yes. Make the keyboard and all that. What else do we have to make? That would be like super important to start. Keyboard, mouse, numpad, this little guy. The rest is just, oh yeah, the microphone stand. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Anyway. Now that I look at it. Yeah, my numpad is separate because my keyboard is tiny. I don't like big keyboards. I used to have big keyboards, but I want space. I want space. Yes, anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll be back tomorrow at 7 AM for some Blender.